How to add music to Instagram post after posting. First of all, open your application Instagram. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Head over to the post that you want to add the music. Tap on the send icon. The option of add to story will be visible to you. Tap on it. Now just tap on the sticker icon at the top. Move into music. Search for the music that you want to add to this post. Let me just add this music to this post. Tap on it. Now you need to hide this icon. I have muted the music for the privacy concern. Once it is done, tap on this three dot and then tap on save. Once the post has been saved, go back to your feed and then tap on this plus icon. Select the post that you have just saved and then tap on this icon at the top right corner. Tap on next at the bottom right corner. And once you tap on share, your post will be uploaded successfully. So this is the only way to add music to Instagram post after posting. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.